Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me on a quick trip to SM or Mall, not just for some retail therapy, but to tackle something a little less glamorous, my visa extension. Now I'm not going for a retirement visa. Honestly, I love hopping around Southeast Asia too much to stay put. In fact, I'm already planning my next adventure, this time to Hanoi, Vietnam. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I was in Da Nang not too long ago. I'm so excited to explore a new city, but first let's get that visa sorted.
True survivor, standing tall amongst the brave. It's time to rise up, yelling glory to the saved. And we fall, we reign, we rise again. The fall, the pain, we try so hard to feel sane. It's all in our brain. Always keeping us restless with the lights. Keeping us restless with the lights. Lighting a fire for the night. Let it burn, keep inside. Keep your spirit up at night. There's a miracle alive. All the pain inside your bones, all the cold inside your homes. You were never all alone, all alone. Restless all the time. Feel myself decline. Lose myself till my heartbeat stops. But we fall, we reign, we rise again. The fall, the pain, we try so hard to feel sane. It's all in our brains. Always keeping us restless with the lights. Keeping us restless with the lights. Always keeping us restless with the lights. Keeping us restless with the lights. Always keeping us restless with the lights. Keeping us restless with the lights.
One thing I absolutely love about SM or Mall is how peaceful it feels. The plants, the fountains, it's like a little oasis in the middle of the city. And the people at the immigration office here, they're always so polite and helpful. They make what could be a stressful process actually pretty pleasant. Now after getting my visa sorted, I couldn't help resist but stopping by a motorcycle gear store. Coming up on it now. This store has so many different options of things of gear to buy. Look at this awesome gear. I've already got some gloves, a helmet, and a jacket, but here's the funny part. I don't even have a motorcycle yet. I know. It's like buying a swimsuit before you even seen the ocean. But hey, it doesn't hurt to plan, right? I've been browsing motorbikes online and I'm torn on what to get. I've never driven a street bike before, but I'm so eager to learn and get my license. There's just something about the idea of hitting the open road, feeling the wind, and experiencing the free sense of freedom. I mean, I've driven everything from small commercial trucks to flying private planes back in the USA, but this feels like a whole new kind of adventure.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, 'cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, 'cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. Don't I make you feel something, or maybe you can.
Of course, I'll need it to find a place with less traffic than what's around my condo to practice. But hey, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single rev of the engine. So, what do you think? Should I go for it? And if you're a seasoned rider, drop your best tips for a traveler like me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming trips to Hanoi. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
To the moon and back, we had a love like that.